So as we can see here, this is a Walthers CNW Autorack. Now I have not done a proper review on these things before. I did unbox a Burlington Northern Southern Pacific versions of the Walthers Autorack, but I have not done a proper overview of them. So I'm doing it now with the CNW one. So you can see here on this side we have the CNW logo, Chicago Northwestern System, a little writing panel right there. And along the side, there's a nice rivet pattern with yellow sides. And also on the bottom, we have the ETTX 802647, the reporting mark, and some other writing detail there. A nice big trailer train there as well. On this side, we have the Autorack doors, some more text, and a little thing right there. On this side, we once again have the CNW logo, nice rivet pattern on the side. Similar reporting marks, actually pretty much the same reporting marks on the bottom there. On this side, we have the doors and a lot of metal spots and also some handles too. On the top, nice rivet pattern all throughout. On the bottom, there's some a little bit of air brake detail, but not that much. I do plan on getting a couple more Autoracks because, yeah, 3 may not be enough, but at least 3 is better than 2 in my opinion. And this is officially my first covered hopper. I do have open top hoppers already, but not a covered one. I was hesitant at first about the Scale Train's covered hoppers, but now that I'm seeing this in person, this looks really nice, especially with the CSX logo and everything. So right here we have the reporting mark, plate C, and then the road number 262511, items weight, how tomorrow moves, CSX with the boxcar logo, some more labels there, and it looks like this is a 3-bay covered hopper. On this side we have some nice ladder details, once again report mark there, air brake, a chain, air brake reservoir detail over there too. On this side, once again, we have the reporting mark, plate C, items weight, the logo and the slogan, some more writing details. And on this side, you have ladders, a bit of a grab iron there. On top, we have a nice rivet pattern with some, I guess maybe these are openings on the top there. Y'all can let me know in the comments what those are. And then on the bottom, we have the hatches for the bottom of the car. Pretty cool. After getting one of these Scale Train's covered hoppers, even the operator one looks really nice. I think I'll get more of these in the future. This blew away my expectations completely.